Home buying could be a bad investment for a lot of reasons. Let me tell you why I think home buying for me right now is a bad investment. The areas that I want to stay in right now, rent is definitely cheaper than what it would be if I was to actually pay a mortgage. And then also, too, I am not sold on an area that I want to be in. And right now, the rates are not favorable to me right now. I don't like the rates right now. So it can be a bad investment because of that. The amount that I'll have to put down on a property, I could have just paid that amount in rent, and I can deduct, since I have a home office, I can deduct that on my taxes. I can deduct part of my rent on my taxes. That's more than I'll be able to deduct in interest payments if I was to have a mortgage. So that's another reason why. And then I'm, like I said, I'm not sold in my area. I may want to be in a different area. I'll be paying way more for my mortgage than if I was to be renting. So that could be, it could be a bad investment like that. And then also too, if something was to go wrong with the house, we just had the hurricane that didn't technically hit my insurance, where my insurance would have went up, that actually hit the homeowner. Like, I'm in Florida. Those are a few reasons why homeowner buying a home could be a bad investment. But depending on what area you are in, how much you would have to pay with paying rent, it may be a good investment for you to actually buy a home. But look at the total cost in fees and think about where you're staying now. What was happening with the house that you're in now? How much money you would have had to pay out of pocket for where you're at now? So keep that in mind, you guys. And I know for sure that it's a great possibility that the price of the house right now that I'm in is going to drop. And I would hate to have a mortgage on this property and then it drop. I would rather just buy it as soon as it drop. I wouldn't care about paying a higher interest rate, but just make sure the house is cheaper. That's how I feel about it. And then the first property that I ever bought was cash. So just getting a mortgage, it's just kind of make me feel a certain type of way. I'm not completely sold. But think about those different reasons, and talk to a mortgage broker, talk to a realtor, but don't forget to, they get paid when you actually buy your house. So they may not give you all the full details, but talk to them and see what type of fees you're going to have to pay. Look at Zillow and see how much the house was worth before, how much it can potentially be worth in the future. Look at like the different numbers, and you make an informed decision on your own on whether it's a good investment or if it's going to be a bad investment for you.